welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a try on haul with Missguided with my friend Maddie.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you.
So today's try on haul is going to be from Missguided, and we're both trying on the same pieces, but we're both different sizes. So I usually wear a 2 and a 4, and you usually wear...
Yes, I'm a size 14, 16, so it's nice to show the same outfits on 2 different body types and body sizes.
So you guys should definitely go follow all her social medias. We also have TikToks together in which we show the same outfits. So you guys should definitely go check it out. She's also pretty popular on TikTok, so go follow her social medias. Yes, of course.
At Maddie Tuma, you can follow me. I love making TikToks with Emily. I love showing these outfits. Yeah, we've been having so much fun making this content.
It's been really fun so far. I also wanted to mention that we were gifted these items from Missguided, so just want to add that in real quick.
Shout out Missguided, thank you so much.
But that's pretty much all I want to say for the intro, so we're just gonna get started. So the first dress that we got is this lilac. What type of, this like,
it's like a dusty lilac. Oh yeah, it's like a waffle knit.
Yeah, like the waffle knit, type of fabric. And it also has a zip up here, and it also says Missguided. I'm wearing a size 2, I think, in the dress. Yeah, I'm wearing a size 2.
And I have a 14. And the highest size it goes up to is a 14. But honestly, I wish I could have gotten it in a 16 because I feel like the bottom, I do need a bit more stretch. But I mean, it still fits, and if you're true to size 14, I think it would work for you. Yeah, I
have the size 2 on, and it's a little bit tight for me also, so I would definitely recommend sizing up in this dress. But it's pretty cute. I like it. I think you could wear it just like honestly during the summer, or even like fall time with like sneakers. You don't really need a dress because it is a little bit thicker.
Yeah. No, I think it would keep you warm, honestly. Yeah. Like obviously your legs are out, but I think you could totally wear this in like the fall time and be totally good.
This is the bag. Pretty plain, but it's cute still.
What would you rate
it is pretty short also.
It's super short,
so definitely be careful with that bending over. But I would rate this dress, I'm gonna say a 7 out of 10.
I was gonna say a 7 too.
Yeah, because it is short. It's cute though.
Really cute. But the look is giving it to me, but the sizing is off.
Exactly. I don't see myself wearing this out that much because of the length of it.
Exactly.
Yeah. But other than that, it's really cute. So maybe if you're someone who's shorter, this might be a little bit longer. Yeah. I'm 5'4". I think we're like
I'm 5'4" too.
Okay, so even better. So literally the same. But yeah, so if you are more petite, this could be really good for you.
I agree.
So the second outfit is the set. Well, it's not the set.
Loungewear Look.
Got this long sleeve top that also goes up to your neck. I would recommend really just pulling down on this shirt because it goes really high.
Yeah, it's cute though with the turtleneck. It's definitely like, you know, a zip up all the way look, but I think that it's cute open and closed. Yeah,
me too. And I like how it like easily folds up there. And also if you want to have a more like, you know, more boob out look. Yeah, it opens up really nice. Yeah.
No, it's super cute. And I love the Missguided logo right here. It's like very monochrome, which is really cute. I could see myself wearing this top with like a ton of different bottoms.
Yeah, you can see it from me.
Very into that.
I think you could, like, honestly, especially with this top, you could dress it up and down. Like, I feel like with jeans, you can even wear this with like a leather jacket. It can look really nice. I think it's a very versatile top.
Definitely.
And then, what would you rate this top?
The top, honestly, probably 9 out of 10. But I think, I mean, it checks all the boxes for me. The only reason it's not a 10 out of 10 is I don't think it's like the most unique thing ever. But I think it's still really great, and if you wanted something like this, great option.
Yeah, I agree with her. I think that this top is really cute, and I like how versatile it is, and you can just like honestly wear this with everything. Yeah. But at the end of the day, it's just a plain cream
white
long sleeves. Yeah. So but other than that, it's still really cute. And then these sweatpants are so cute. I love the color.
I'm obsessed with the sweats.
Brown. Oh, what size are you wearing in the top?
I believe a 14.
I think I think this is a size 4.
Yeah. But it's super stretchy. Like this one fits very true to size. Like
it's very like as you guys can see. Okay, stretchy. But yeah, so with the sweatpants, they're a tiny bit big on me. Yeah. I'm wearing a size 4, but what I just did here, I'm gonna like, it's like it has more space in the back, but what I just do is with this tie, I just tie it tighter so that it doesn't have that loose fit for me.
I really like the fit of these because I like, you can't really see the bottom right now, but they're like flared on the bottom, so they're a really nice they're a nice like fit and flare, but I feel like they make you look very curvy, which I like.
Yeah, I really like it. I think and this has also been a really big trend, like with the yoga pants that like flare out at the bottom, that have been like popular for so many years, but now I guess people refound them. They're super cute. I love them. I just love the brown. It kind of also looks like more like purpley.
Yeah, it's like a really very dark color. I like it.
You guys can see like with
you can kind of tell though.
Flares more in around the knees and then flares out at the bottom, but they're super cute. I really love these. Cute. What would you rate the sweatpants?
Honestly, 10 out of 10 for the sweatpants. I mean, yes, they are long, but I think it's okay because like 9 out of 10 times I'm gonna be wearing them at home anyway. But I really just love how unique they are. Like I haven't seen sweats like this, so that's why I'm giving them a 10.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 9 because of the length, but honestly they're super cute. They're very comfortable, really cute. And I honestly like the Misguided style. I think like it just adds a little bit more to the sweatpants. Yeah, I really like how they fit, and I like that I have the strengths to just make it more adjustable to my waist and that they're not baggy in the back. But I really like this. So this is the second dress that we got. It's super cute. It's black. It has a slit at the bottom, and it's like a mid length, about super halfway to my calf. Yeah. However, it is see-through. I'm pretty sure you guys can see our bra because that's what it looks like from here. But
in person, it's not so bad. But just with the direct lights on, it definitely is a little bit see-through. But if you wore like Spanx underneath or something,
I think it could be good. Or you could even wear like wintertime, like a black top under also.
Yes.
And it would help reduce the lighting off the boobs, I should say.
I do think it's really cute and very flattering though. So
I really like this. I think for like, let's say one day you have the dinner or just something that you want to dress up a little bit more, you could also really dress this down.
Totally.
I think this is a really cute dress, and then this is the back, pretty plain, but the slit is what makes it look super nice.
Yeah, I love the slit. I think you could totally just wear white sneakers and a denim jacket with this, and it would be amazing.
And then if you want to dress it up same day, you can wear like a leather jacket, some boots. I think this dress is really good.
Yeah.
And for the price, it's worth it.
I agree.
I would rate this, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8.
Because I like it. It's thin though, and it's see-through, but I think it's cute to...
I think the benefit of it being a thin material is in the summertime, it would be really nice because it would be very, very breezy.
Yeah, and this could be also cute for like a picnic also.
Definitely.
No, I really like it. Might be a little bit hot with the black, but I still think it's super cute.
But the sleeves and the slit really do it for me.
What do you rate the dress?
I think I'm gonna give it a 7, only because I have similar dresses that aren't a see-through.
Yeah.
But I still really, really love the style. Like anything with the slit like this, I'm sold.
Yeah, I love slit dresses also.
Yeah.
This is a size 4, and then you're wearing...
I think this is a 14, and I think this one, since it's stretchy, definitely fits true.
This size fits really well on me. Yeah. So I guess we can talk about the jeans first.
Yeah.
So these are mom jeans.
Yeah, mom, and they were specifically labeled stretchy, and I can agree that they are stretchy.
Yeah. So these jeans, I'm wearing a size 4. I usually, when it comes to me wanting baggier jeans, I get a size 6 from Misguided, but I wanted these to be a little bit tighter. So I feel like the 4 fits me really well. I don't know what to call this, but this isn't happening.
Right,
it's staying tight around my waist, which I really like. And the length, they're not baggy at all at the bottom. But because Misguided like pants usually run pretty long, these fit me really well. Or did I get the petite?
I don't know, did you?
No, I don't think I did. But if you are somebody who's like 5'4" or just honestly under, I would recommend getting petite because their pants really always like run pretty long. But I would rate these jeans, honestly, I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10.
Yes,
I honestly have no complaints about it. I think it fits me pretty well.
Yeah.
And even though it is mom jeans, they don't look as perfect, which I really like because I feel like sometimes that happens a lot.
Right. I'm into the jeans as well. I got these in a 16. I'm very glad I got a 16. I feel like 14 would have been too small.
Yeah.
The weird thing about these jeans, they're baggy in the waist, but then they're a little bit tight in the crotch.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
So it's like they do, and I think they're still really comfortable. Like I would say they're a baggy fit on me, but I like it. It's not like a bad baggy, but it just definitely is baggier, you know? But I still really like them, and they're really comfy. I actually wore these out already. I wore them.
Yeah, me too.
And I really liked it when I was wearing them, so
yeah,
definitely. I would say like 9 out of 10 on the jeans, only because of the tight crotch area. But everything else is good.
And then you also had to find a different pair from these, right?
Technically not get the same ones because I had to, like for jeans, just to be safe, definitely go the plus size route rather than the 14. So 16.
Yeah, because I was gonna say they look a little bit different.
Yeah, mine look a little darker.
Yeah. But still really cute. And then this top is a tank top. Super cute. I really like this. It looks better than it did on the website.
It's cute because I don't know if you can really tell, but I like the font a lot of it.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, it is a very like, you know, see-through little tank top. It's nothing like crazy special, but it's just cute little Misguided tank.
And then so I have a bra on because it's too see-through for me, but you're not wearing a bra.
I didn't put a bra on. I don't know, I hate wearing bras, so anytime I don't have to wear a bra, I won't. But I don't know, I was worried, but I think it's okay.
So if you want to still wear a bra but you don't want the straps to show, I would recommend just going for a strapless bra. But other than that, the top's pretty cute. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8 out of 10 for the top. Really cute.
I really like this. And then my favorite thing is this leather jacket.
Yes.
As you guys know, this has been trending all over TikTok, Pinterest, so we had to get them.
So popular.
I am wearing a size 2 in this.
Okay.
Oh wait, no. I'm wearing a size 4. This is an oversized fit, but I don't think that it's oversized. I think it fits me perfectly. I really love this. It also has pockets.
Yes.
And then you went to the plus size one for the jacket, right?
Yes. Okay, yeah. So I got this in the plus size section, and it is a size 16. But look, when I button it, I just feel like I could have even sized up a little bit because it's a little bit snug, you know? See how it pulls a little bit when I button it?
Okay, yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, I wish it just wasn't like that.
Like, mine has a separate button inside, so maybe you could try.
No, mine doesn't have that. Yeah, no. Which, like, I mean, I would definitely wear this open anyway, so it's not a big deal. But if you did want to close it, definitely size up, because it is a little bit tight there. But other than that, I mean, I love the look. This is my first leather blazer.
Yeah, me too.
Participating in trends.
Yes, we love that.
So I really do like it.
And I also realized that I think mine is shinier than yours.
I think you're right,
so
actually.
I do like
and you have more buttons.
Yeah, I do have more buttons. So it is a little bit different, but I think they look really similar as well.
I agree.
I do wish it was a little bit more matte because I feel like it looks a little bit more fake.
True,
for like a leather blazer, but I still think it's super cute. And I feel like a lot of people have been getting it at Zara, these leather blazers, for like $90, and I'm pretty sure this was probably like
$20 or something.
Yeah, it had been like, I'm gonna say like around like $30.
Yeah.
Super affordable, and I think it's perfect how it fits also.
Totally. And I think even with the black dress we just tried on, this would be really
cute.
Oh my
god, yes, that is so, it would look super cute. So I
overall love the look, so it's all good.
I would honestly really recommend this blazer.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm gonna just go with 9 only because of the sizing. Because I feel like if I got a 16, it should be like the baggier fit.
That is true. That is
no worries though, it's all good. It's all good. I'm glad that we stepped out of our comfort zone and
yes, me too. Because I'm also not a blazer person. I usually don't like wearing blazers, and I feel like that's also been another trend that personally doesn't look good on me. But I really like this, and I'm happy that I was able to grab onto this trend and actually make it work.
I agree. And look at that, friendly for all sizes.
Yes, I love that also as well, because I feel like a lot of trends, like depending your body type, it might not always look the same. Right. And you might like, you know, and that might also affect, because it's like, man, like I want to join that trend.
Exactly.
So I think the leather jacket is a good trend to hop on for all sizes.
Yeah, I totally agree.
Okay, so this is the third dress, and it is white.
It's kind of like a white shirt dress kind of style, but then it has these cool details on the side. It might be hard to see just because it's white.
A corset.
Yes, which I like. It's like a cool detail, and it really gives some shape.
Which is really convenient because you can make it tighter on the waist because of the corset, which I really like because obviously you don't want this dress to be too baggy, and it also reaches at a good length, so you can do whatever you want in this dress because it is pretty long.
My only negative with this dress is I feel like the fabric is a bit stiff. You know, like I wish it was just like more flowy and comfy rather than the stiff material. I mean, I guess it is because it's a collared shirt, but I do wish it was just like a little softer.
Yeah, me too. But I don't see myself wearing it that much. I like how it looks with my straight hair, but when we first got this dress, I personally didn't feel that crazy about it. So I would say, like, you know, this isn't as convenient for me if I feel like I only like it when my hair is straight.
Right.
So
I feel like the model really sold it to me, but then once I had it on, it wasn't as good.
So I'm gonna give this dress probably like I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, I think 6 out of 10. I mean, like, I do like it and I could see myself wearing it, but I have another white collared shirt dress that I like way more. So it's kind of like when you compare the two.
But what I actually do like about this dress is I've worn it with a couple things over it. So I put a sweater over it and it looked really cute.
Oh yeah,
so this dress, so this is how it looks rolled up. I'm not sure. What do you think?
I think it's kind of cute. I don't know. I did like a extra bunch of rolls.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. That kind of gives me waiter vibes.
Yeah. I was just thinking that. This is what, the fourth dress?
Fourth dress.
Yeah.
Sweater dress.
Yeah. This dress, super cute. Keeps you super warm. We both added belts to it. Yeah. I feel like it's a nice way to just style this sweater dress.
It's really baggy without the belt, so it gives you a nice shape.
Yeah, so...
And I feel like you could do even a brown belt. I have black, but mine's more black. But I think it's still cute.
And so, and the length is pretty good as well. I feel like it covers a lot. And I like that it just keeps you warm, and
definitely
it's a little tight for me around the neck, but I don't think it's like in a bad way.
I agree. I think my favorite part is the sleeves, honestly, though, because I love a good, you know, bubble sleeve. So
it's not loading. I mean, not loading. It's not focusing. But yeah, the sleeves are really cute and gives a nice detail to it. I like this sweater too.
I think, I mean, honestly though, back to the neck, it is a little bit like too much. Like I think if it could be without the roll, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
But I think obviously this will keep you super warm in the winter time, and I think the color is cute. So.
Yeah, you could also pair it with like nice like a trench coat. It could look really cute.
Yes.
I'm not a sweater dress person that much. Like I said, same thing with the neck. It's a little bit too much for me.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna rate this like a 7 out of 10.
I agree. Honestly, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 only because without the belt, it truly let's show you without the belt. It's really, really shapeless without the belt.
Yeah.
So that's the only, like, I would wear it, we look.
So if you're somebody who likes to wear, like, things that aren't as tight, then this dress can do really well.
Yeah, like, it's super comfy and a lot of room.
For the belt.
But I feel like it's not doing anything for the body.
Yeah. And then I'm pretty sure this is a size 4, and you're wearing a...
I guess 14, I'm not sure. Yeah. I think it was like a large / XL. I think that might have been the size.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, yeah, but you guys pretty much get the gist. The dress. This is the last outfit.
Yes.
I feel like it looks super cute today. It's probably the lighting.
It looks really good on camera.
Yeah. So with the top, it's a white corset satin top.
Yeah.
Super cute.
Yeah, I love the top. The top is definitely awesome. Yeah. You could rewear this in so many things.
Yeah, you can, even with the leather jacket that we blazer that we had on earlier, it can match really well.
Definitely.
And I'm wearing a bra this time, but when I actually first put it on, I didn't have a bra on, so it was a little bit big. But with the bra, it fits really well.
Oh, good. Yeah. I have my Skims bodysuit underneath, so honestly, that's what this is. It's just my bodysuit. But I obviously, if I was wearing this out, would wear just like a normal bra, or even go braless, honestly.
Yeah.
But
for me, the pants go up really high, so
yeah,
you can kind of almost not see my skin on the side. But this top is really cute. I really like,
and they have this top in a ton of colors too.
Oh my god, yeah, there was like a pretty lilac color that was nice.
Yeah,
but yeah, this is super cute. I'm gonna rate it I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10 because I feel like this is a I don't want to say a basic top, but I feel like this is something that a lot of people already have.
I agree. I'll say 9 out of 10 too, only because the back. It's like a little bit short in the back. Yeah. So I just wish it was like the same size all around. Yeah. You know?
And it's good that you mentioned that because I feel like when you would sit down, like, the rolls are definitely gonna come out.
It's like short in the back, exactly. Yeah.
It could,
but still really cute. So.
And these pants are also high waisted, like really high waisted. So that could also mean more.
Right.
That's
true.
When you wear jeans, the rolls might show a little bit more. So
I know.
Yeah, but. These pants are leather pants. Another thing that has been trending. Leather has been really big this fall.
Yes.
And I like how they fit me. They fit me pretty well. It's not as baggy in the back. However, my biggest complaint is the length of these. Yeah. So we have different type of pants on. Yeah. Hers are like skinny, like leather.
Mine are just straight leggings. Like they don't have a button or anything. They're just leggings.
But mine, they flare out on the bottom and have a split, which I'm gonna like lower the camera to show you guys. But that's my one complaint. They're extremely long, so I'm gonna have to get these tailored, and I don't know how that's gonna work because they have a split in the middle. But yeah, I'm gonna rate these like a 6 out of 10 because of the length. Yeah, to be honest, I got these leggings in the plus size section, so I actually got them in an 18 because they were sold out of 16s, which is honestly a bummer because I think the 16 would have fit me perfectly. Yeah. Because the 18, it's like droopy in the butt, and it's like, why? I don't know. Because it fits nice everywhere else. Like I like how it even comes up to my waist. It's literally just the back that does not fit properly. Yeah,
like I
wouldn't would have been better.
Yeah, like if they're just droopy in the butt. So I think definitely true to size for these ones. But I mean, as far as plus size leggings go, I think they're pretty good. So. Yeah, definitely. And I love the whole look together. So
yeah, and
I mean,
it's not that bad.
It's not so bad.
Yeah, yours
definitely some heat in there though.
But yeah, wearing a size 4 in these, they do fit me well, but a tiny bit tight on the thighs. Just a tiny bit. But it's fine because it's leather.
Leather is so difficult.
So this is how much they drag on the floor for me. Obviously you can see from the split down, it just doesn't fit me. So that's just my really big one complaint. Like I'm literally stepping, like I could wear these with maybe heels, but they'd have to be really tall heels.
Really tall heels,
and I still might step on them. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to follow all of Maddie's social medias, and also mine are going to be linked down there below. Be sure to leave a comment of which outfit was your favorite, and if you guys want to see more of these videos, check out our TikToks, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!